how to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to set up a way to access your chat history in Messenger. Firstly, go to the Messenger app and log in to your account. To log in to your account, you have to enter your email or username along with the password. You can save your login info and allow your notifications of the app. Now, tap on the three lines shown in the top left corner. Then select the gear icon to reach to the settings. Choose the privacy and safety option and select the end-to-end encrypted chats option. Then, tap on message storage and then tap on turn on secure storage. Here, you will also be able to see your last backup. Now, go back to privacy and safety and tap on app lock. You can set the time duration to lock the app. After that, go back and hold onto the app for a few seconds. Tap on account info and go to storage and cache. Here, you have to clear the storage and cache of the app. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.